Every day, we create a lot of waste, but not all waste is the same. Understanding the difference between recyclable, compostable, and non-recyclable waste helps us make better choices. Single-use plastics are especially harmful to the environment, polluting our oceans and harming wildlife. Waste reduction is about changing how we think, act, and live, reducing what we throw away, reusing what we can, and recycling the rest. In this short video, you will learn practical strategies to reduce waste in your daily life and the positive impact you can have on the environment. First, it's important to know the different types of waste. Recyclable waste includes materials like paper, glass, and some plastics that can be processed and made into new products. Compostable waste is organic material such as food scraps and garden waste that breaks down naturally and enriches soil. Non-recyclable waste includes many plastics and mixed materials that often end up in landfills or incinerators. Single-use plastics, like straws and plastic bags, are especially damaging because they last for hundreds of years and often escape recycling efforts, polluting wildlife habitats and waterways. Now, let's talk about how you can reduce waste. One effective strategy is to implement recycling and composting at home or in your community. Organizing or joining a community recycling drive helps raise awareness and collect recyclables. Small daily habits, like refusing single-use plastics, carrying reusable bags, and sorting your waste properly, make a big difference over time. These actions help reduce landfill waste, save energy, and protect natural resources. By learning these skills, you become part of a larger movement towards sustainability. Think about your own waste habits. What waste do you throw away that could be recycled or composted instead? How often do you use single-use plastics? Reflect on how adopting the mindset of reducing, reusing, and recycling can positively impact your daily life and community. Embracing these attitudes encourages others to follow your example, creating a ripple effect that benefits the environment. Remember, individual actions add up, and your choices today help ensure a cleaner, healthier planet for tomorrow. Waste reduction is a shared responsibility that starts with you. By adopting simple strategies, you can help protect the environment and inspire others to do the same. Together, let's reduce waste and build a sustainable future.